So Luxmy Furniture is an independent furniture manufacturer, and we contract manufacture to furniture resellers in the Australian market. What we mainly do is manufacture custom tops, joinery, table bases, and also upholstered furniture for the corporate market only. Our company was started in 1997 by Rao. We've expanded our capabilities from initially being only able to do rectangular tops to now being able to do any configuration of tops, all different types of custom joinery, and all different types of custom upholstered products as well.
When the new convention center was built, they wanted somebody who would manufacture according to their custom design. A lot of it is from Luxmy.
The Australian workplace has now become an agile workspace, and with that, the furniture in fit outs has changed so much. There are not that many full workstations anymore. There's a lot of hot desking. And the great thing with Biesse is they have made their machines agile enough for us to start to use them for those workspaces. Biesse gives us great support, but they also provide us with machinery that suits our needs, and I think they understand our business so intricately that it's a very natural partnership on our end.
Every single equipment in our factory is from Biesse, right from where we cut the board, where we edge it, and then we have 5 or 6 CNC machines. But I think the big special machine we have is our 5-axis machine, and that's helped us change the direction of our business. So on the 5-axis machine, you can actually carve out the board as you want. So it goes into all kinds of angles. So we're able to do interesting shapes, profiles, what have you. I mean, there's nothing that we cannot do on that machine.
And I think in terms of the traditional handicrafts that were done previously by hand, I actually think that the machines replicate it, and they actually replicate it more cleanly and more consistently.
And the way we use the machines that Biesse makes and the technology is to use technology to do what was done traditionally. And that's why I don't think we have lost any of the skills. Howard here, he's worked in the trade for 40 years. So they have all graduated into using technology to do what they used to do traditionally. A, we find it safer. Secondly, the cost that we are able to pay for these skills today, if it was done manually, it would have sent us out of business. Software is a big part of it. Right now it's BSolid, which really works for us. And we always keep ourselves abreast. We have 6 programmers and we are constantly training them. We have moved with the technology as Biesse has moved. We haven't lifted the workforce numerically. So we still have the same amount of workers, but the actual production has more than doubled or tripled also in some cases. And that's what has helped us. So it's a combination of human beings, technology, software, all those things put together. We were able to fulfill our goals and move forward.